Remember when I didn't have shoestrings? Now I pull up, I watch that coupe swing. Big money, get money, we do things. Now I get everything I want, buy everything I saw. When I had nothing at all, fuck it, I got it, I'm on.
So I just wanted to show this before I get into this video right here. I bought this some time back. I did a review on it. But the attachments that come to this is not really like secure for your phone. So I ended up buying this. I did a review on this as well. So these two together work magic. With that being said, I decided to rebuy them, and they're here. So this is not the same thing as this one. As you can see, this is much smaller. This is a bigger version of that. And let me get that out of the box. I'm in the backyard right now. This looks very similar. It looks like the exact same product, but I don't remember if it was this brand. So I'm gonna be doing like a comparison of these two. But I just wanted to show these two things. In fact, I'm getting ready to use this right now. I'm about to put this on a tripod, which is right there. Yeah, I just wanted to show y'all that. So this probably was a bad idea. As you can tell, there's a lot of loud stuff in the background. Boom. Okay. So, I mean, I actually like the look of this. We have, I wonder what this is for. Oh, it's a warranty. Okay, that's interesting. I've never seen this before. This is an Amazon warranty, but it's like a card. Okay, that's, it is what it is. Okay, so this is the clip that it comes with, and like I said, this is not like secure, like as far as your phone goes, but it does feel better than what I remember. Like it has a nice little tug, which means it will hold the phone, but I feel like once you make movement, then that's when things go in another direction. I remember this piece. Okay, this is kind of different. I remember this piece here. All right. My phone stopped recording. So this is a different piece than this. Actually might be useful. I can't see. Okay, here we go. This actually might be useful. The quality, like the build quality, is good. And like one of the problems that you have with like using these together, this right here, is you don't have this part, which is allowing this. So I think this is actually a piece I could still use. So you might be. Yeah, I don't think this is even the same brand. They just look the same, like they look identical. So I should be able to take this off. Oh, can't even take this off. So I mean, I'm gonna have to use. But this moves too. So this is actually already a lot better than this. I feel like this is more for like that. Like, I don't know how to explain it. You can't move this right here. And it was a piece that went to yeah, this is a different brand. Okay. But the reason why I bought this is because this is a good. This is actually more flimsy than this one. So I guess they gave you something and took something away. Now this is like this piece right here came with this, and I'm not sure what it's for. Like, I tried to. Yeah, I still don't know what this piece is for. Maybe it's for. I have no clue. I had to keep remember that the camera is not. So in comparison, this one is taller. It has better. Yeah, I really don't even need this because I have this already, and this moves. So it'll be like two movements. But what I could do is put this here. Use this for this, since this one I already have one. Unless I need to extend the length of this. It's just so hard to see because of the sunlight. I can't tell what I'm looking at like on the screen. Okay, and this for sure is a different one than I showed originally, because I think there's supposed to be a piece in here that here it is. I just dropped it, hopefully it still works. This right here, it's like it's a remote for your camera. I'm pretty sure it connects through Bluetooth. But and this came with it. I guess this goes for the piece. Nothing in the box. I could have did a separate review for these, but I literally bought them together for a reason. Yeah, this is the exact same. Like the exact same thing. I'm not sure why it's a different brand. Yep, it's the exact same thing. So what I'm gonna do, I'm probably gonna do this. Take this piece and put this here. It gives this one a little bit more length, but not this exact one. The one that this phone is on right now, I'm gonna do that. And then this one, it already has this, so there's no reason for me to even use this part. It already has the mobility. Okay, I think this comes off. Not sure why. But yeah, that's that. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put both of these, put the phone on both of these, and try to see if it looks better, like when you record or if you take pictures. So I have the phone on the taller mount, and I just figured something out. So I think this piece right here was actually supposed to go on here because of this reason. Like when I unscrew this right here, this loosens up. This was just tight, but now it spins, like it just spins, like it can't go in anymore, but it's still spinning. And I think you locking this actually secures it. So that's something that I figured out. But overall, I mean, I don't even care for this piece like that. If it came down to it, I would just take this off, put this here. And for the big one, it already has this, like it comes with it. So it's no, I don't even understand why this piece was included. I know that you can put this on top of the piece that's already on this big one, but they do the same thing. So to me, it's like kind of pointless. Something I was noticing is this one has a leveler, so you can see like if everything is balanced, but this tall one does not. From the build, I could already tell that this one is made like more durable. This long one is more, it's very easy to move the legs. It's not as strong, but it's like the exact same design, like minus this being on here and not being on that one. And then for the long one, you can't just like immediately go into the part that like goes into your camera. That part is like it stands out. It's like it's inside of a ball. I'm gonna switch these and show you. So now we're able to see the difference in height. Like you can't even see this full thing when it's on the small one, which makes a lot of sense. But as I was saying, like the legs, it's still very sturdy. But the little ones, they're a lot harder to move. But what I was saying about this, there's like a connection that goes inside of a connection. Like you can't just connect to the original mount. It's like a ball in here. I'm pretty sure this comes out. Thank you, East Oakland. You have this piece right here. So you'll always need this piece like with you, basically. Like with this piece, let's say I decide to take this off and then I forget it, like I would not be able to use this unless I have another piece that's like that. But with the one I originally have, I never had that problem. If I leave a piece, or I could put anything and connect it to it. I could actually connect my camera directly into it, like without needing anything else. So I think they should learn from that, and they should actually include that on here, especially since they added on the piece that works, that's already doing this job right here. So I mean, that's the review. If you're looking to like start recording or vlogging with your phone or whatever, I recommend this piece. I recommend one of these tripods. But I don't know if it's a tripod or like a bipod, I don't know. But yeah, that's my recommendation to anybody who's like trying to start vlogging but they don't have a camera. They need to record off their phone or anything like that. I mean, you pretty much get anything that does not have this. This right here is, I feel like it's the quickest way to lose your phone. It doesn't have anything to hold your phone here, so it could still fall out that way, and if you turn it sideways it could fall out that way. This one is a lot, is made better than a lot of them. Like there's more force, so it will hold your phone this way, but like the slightest movement, it's gonna fall out. So I would not recommend you use this piece. You can just buy one of these and one of these, and you should be ready to go. This is like $8. It might have been a little bit more because I bought it with this, but without this it should only be around $8. I bought this big one probably around the price range of like $12. I don't think it was anything over that, but just in case, I'll leave the price check in the description and everything. Yeah, I mean, that's it pretty much. I like the packaging that this one came in. Did a good job with that. But until next time, I'm out. One love.
I ain't even going out tonight. I'm doing things on my own. They say that I change, but I don't think that I change. I just tell them that a boy got grown. I think I'm alone now. 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 Man.